The BRİDGELUX Vero series of LED arrays allow the use of a wire harness and a connector. Regardless of the size of the array, the connector and mating process remain the same. The connector has specific mounting alignment features. The bottom side is smoother than the top side. Additionally, you can line up the black wire side of the connector with the minus sign of the connection port. During the mating process, be sure to keep the connector flat. The connector will not mate if the angle is greater than 5 degrees. Press down on the connector at the port until the connector snaps into place. A properly mated connector will be flush with the top of the Vero platform. If there is a raised section of the connector, then unmate and try again. If the problem persists, you may have the connector upside down, reverse sides, and try again. The connector will not unmate if pulled horizontally. To unmate the connector, simply hold the wires and lift at a 15-degree angle. The connector will unmate rapidly from the outer edge of the array first, followed by the interior edge. With the wire harness properly mated, you can move on to the next stage of your product assembly.